Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind this video reflects my personal experience using the services discussed. Navigating the world of business financing can be tricky. One resource you might consider exploring is the online platform NAV, found at nav.com/business-loans. NAV aims to simplify the loan application process by connecting business owners with a variety of funding options. Their website serves as a centralized hub for exploring various loan products, from traditional term loans and SBA loans to lines of credit and even equipment financing. This allows entrepreneurs to compare different offers and potentially find the best fit for their specific needs. One of the features NAV highlights is its ability to match businesses with suitable lenders based on their individual financial profiles. They claim to consider a range of factors, including credit scores, revenue, and industry. This personalized approach is intended to streamline the often complex and time-consuming process of securing funding. By leveraging data and technology, NAV seeks to eliminate some of the guesswork involved in finding the right loan. This can be particularly beneficial for small business owners who may not have the time or resources to navigate the traditional lending landscape. However, it's important to remember that NAV itself isn't a lender. They act as a marketplace or intermediary, connecting businesses with potential funding sources. This means that the ultimate terms and conditions of any loan will be determined by the specific lender, not by NAV. It's always crucial to carefully review any loan agreement before committing. Furthermore, it's wise to conduct independent research and compare offers from multiple lenders, even those presented through NAV, to ensure you're securing the most favorable terms possible. While NAV can be a valuable tool in the search for business financing, it's essential to use it as part of a broader, well-informed approach to funding your business. Be sure to thoroughly understand all aspects of any financial product before making a decision. Finally, exploring alternative funding avenues is always a good idea, and comparing rates and terms is paramount. Utilizing platforms like NAV can be a helpful starting point, but don't forget to do your due diligence.